So I just got that on this this bracket, and you can have a lot of difficulty if you don't have a good technique getting it on. So I just tried a technique that worked pretty good for me. So I'm going to share it with you. First, I'm going to take that bracket off, and I'll show you how you put it on. Okay, I'm going to try to put it on with one hand because I'm having difficulty putting the phone down somewhere. So basically, you start at the top, okay, and then what you're going to do is see how it bends here? You're going to bend it like this, and as you bend this away with your finger, push. I wish I could do it over again, but that's what you do. Start from the top, put it in, and then you put your finger here, you bend it. I put your thumb here, and you put your finger here, and you bend it, and it slid right in there. Okay, I did it with one hand, so you guys could do it. Okay, that's how you put that clip on. It's a pain if you don't have a good technique.